YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Migo the Entrepreneur. I'm back with another one. We got a deck cleaning today. It ain't too dirty. It's pretty kinda alright, you know what I'm saying? But she called, she wanted to get it cleaned up. We about to head on over here, get it cleaned up. Y'all like, comment and subscribe, man. We got a good one going on for the day, man. I had a couple of people message me, ask me what I use to downstream with. And I downstream with my M5 twist. And I got a J-Rod too. And I got my ladder saver nozzle too. It can reach pretty far. You know, I had my X-Jet to rinse with, but one of my workers, he didn't put it all the way on the end. And you know, when you press it, when you squeeze it, if it ain't all the way on, it'll pop out. And we was doing a gazebo and there was a lake behind it, and the X-Jet flew in the water, so I gotta replace it next time I go back to my spot where I get my stuff from. Turbo nozzle. This is the only good one that I got, guys, so I work with this one. I lost all the rest of them. I'm gonna replace all of them real soon. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on real quick, cause the homeowner out here, and I don't like recording when they be out here, but she gave me permission, so I gotta get this footage. Ain't gonna be long, just showing y'all what it is. Gotta give y'all some content. Clean all this up real quick. This ain't gonna take long. House really need washing. See a lot of things. I'm gonna pitch an upsell to a lot of things. See how it go. Let's go. Let's get started. See? Water coming in, going around. My pressure washer. Basic setup. Over there. Over there. So then, and I can either turn it right now, it's on SH. But if I turn it like this, I can downstream my water. When I get done, downstream of my SH. Simple setup. I love it. I'm about to put a little downstream mix on it. If it don't come up like I want it to, like I'm expecting it to, I'm gonna put a little hot mix on it, bring it right back. M5 twist. Yeah, you can see that right now. It's all that is gone.
Stuff, do you like leave something?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You want to do that for me?
I can call my leaf man right now. I mean, the dude who I get to do my gutters and stuff like that.
Because
yeah.
I had somebody who's pushed it to Monday, but if you do it, I'll give
I can call him right.
This on top, and then it sets on that stack part of it.
Right.
So you got
I'm about to get ready to clean this roof off up here.
See where the metal part come down on the other part?
You gotta put that chimney top back up there. Right. Clean these gutters out on this side and the front side too.
Then you got the other metal part. All right.
There's always something, right? Welcome to
You learn something every day.
Yeah.
You don't know right through God, let's get the right people come along.
Yes, I know, right?
Let me see if I can upsell those stairs too, ain't it? I look for the upsell, y'all, when I'm out here. I'm about to start on these stairs real quick. So I want y'all to see the front of this roof, though. We got to clean the front of it off. Y'all can really see that. real good, but I'm about to clean that off. I got my gutter specialist out here. We about to get it. Little picking services too, y'all. Good money in that. Sometimes y'all may want to try it in your city. There's litter everywhere. Why not get paid to pick it up, you know? Keep the community clean. Pile of leaves. This is a pile of leaves right there. I'm talking about. That's a pile of leaves. We finna get this cleaned up right here. All of this.
Camera recording.
Alright, y'all, I got everything, like the leaves and stuff blowed out. You can kind of see a big difference. It's a lot of mold and mildew. I'm finna put a mix down, hit it with my solution. Clean that up real quick. What's up, doggy? Come back with my turbo nozzle and touch up some of these little steps. Bring everything out real fast. Y'all stay tuned.
One hour later.
Alright, y'all, we done. Look at that roof. Cleaned it up real good. Cleaned the gutters out. Got all this cleaned up. Sprayed the house back down again, the gutters down from that dirt that get on the gutters from the, you know, after you get done cleaning them. So we should spray the front of the house back down. We'll be back to clean this. Clean all this up. And we got to do this yard too. So y'all stay tuned.
Am I the new featured house in your portfolio?
Nah.